He's gonna be ready.
Yeah, sweetheart. Don't grab the spoon. Here. Open your mouth. Ah. What do you think? What do you think? Is that yummy?
Yeah. Is that yummy? It's my turn.
It tastes different, huh? Let me do one more. What do you think?
What do you think?
Clear. Here, one more. Messy face. Ah, oh, she does like it.
Now it's my turn.
What do you think?
My turn.
So get some on the spoon. Open up. Hold it up so that she can get it. There you go. Good job.
Do you like that? One more.
Hold it straight so that it doesn't fall off the spoon. What do you think, kiddo? Here.
Here it goes. Here it goes.
Oh, she really likes it.
She's so cute.
Hold up the spoon like that.